Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello dear students, welcome to another lecture, and in this lecture we are going to begin with another writing skills topic, which is posters. Now posters among all is the topic wherein you get a chance to showcase your creativity and your artistic skills in the maximum possible manner. Now poster is a useful means to make an announcement. So it is not only a way of, for you to use your pen and your colors and everything, but making a poster is, very, very important because of the reason behind it, the objective of writing, of making a poster. So if you wish to make some announcement, if you wish to make some appeal, if you wish to create awareness among the public, make a poster for that. The posters are used by the political parties, the religious organizations, the event organizers, advertisement agencies, NGOs, government departments like the Public Relations Department, Health and Family Welfare, and so on. So all these valuable, all these reputed organizations make use of the posters because making a poster is one of the most creative way of expressing, of bringing forth something very, very important to the society. Now what are the objectives of making a poster? What are the things which need to be kept in mind before making a poster? So a poster is always prepared to keep in mind a specific target audience. So when you make a poster, you have to keep in mind that there is a target audience that you have. There is an audience that you have made the poster for, and keeping that target audience in mind is very important. It is one of the most powerful means of publicity. So, through a poster, you can actually publicize a lot, advertisement of an event, public awareness related to current problems and needs. All these things are taken care of with the help of posters. Posters convey important messages most effectively. So, in the most effective manner, a poster can convey the most important message also. It can take the form of an invitation to events such as fairs, carnivals, fashion shows, sales, exhibitions, cultural programs, fetes, and so on. So when you make a poster for any such event, such as some fair or exhibition or fete or carnival, then the posters can actually take a form of an invitation as well. Now, what are the things to be kept in mind when making a poster? It should be very, very attractive visually. So, when you look at it, you should find it very attractive. The heading or the title of the poster should be very catchy. You should use slogans or short verses, short poems in order to make your message clearer to the public. You have to use clauses. Short sentences are to be used by you. You have to make sketches also when making a poster. And if you're not very good at drawing, you can even make the matchstick figures. What do we mean by matchstick figures? These are the matchstick figures that we learned, when we were kids. The language that you use when making a poster should be very persuasive. Persuasive means very convincing. So with the help of your poster, whatever message you wish to give to the reader should be loud and clear, and the reader should be convinced about the message you are conveying. The theme should be clear. So your theme of the poster should also be clear to everyone. The word limit of making a poster is again only 50 words, and one should not exceed that. The tense form generally used is either present tense or the future tense. The name of the issuing authority or organizer is a must. So whosoever is making the poster, whosoever is issuing the poster, writing the name of that authority at the end is very important. Now, what are the tips for making good posters? First, posters are used to give information on students' activities and social issues. So, you have to make sure that when you are making a poster on some event, then your activities, social issues are being highlighted through it. You have to make a poster in a rectangular box. We have to use a wide variety of fonts, so a lot of fonts are to be used by you when making a poster. We have to use very catchy, very attractive words, very attractive phrases and slogans when making a poster. We can say that a poster is like a notice, but align the phrases at the center. When we write a notice, there is a proper format. You must have seen my video that I recorded on notice writing, and you saw that writing a notice had a proper format. The content had to be written and at the end the close again. But when we talk of a poster, in case of a poster, everything is aligned in the center. So whatever you write, whatever you draw is always aligned in the center. Use your creativity. Draw simple pictures but do not waste time on them. So the organizer's name can either be written on the top or at the bottom of every poster. We have to use an asterisk. We all know this is an asterisk, so we have to use an asterisk if you wish to add any important information. Using small boxes of different shapes to highlight a detail. So if you are making a poster, if you are making different shapes and you are writing something in these boxes, then again it makes your poster look very attractive. And the poster should look neat and graceful. So just because you are drawing, you're sketching, you're using colors does not mean that you're going to make your poster look dirty. Your poster should be very neat and it should be very graceful as well. So, what are the different types of posters that we usually have? We have posters that are used for publicity. We have posters that are used for the awareness of some social issue, women empowerment, pollution, corruption, population, these are all the social issues. So we can actually make posters in order to make the people aware of them. And again, publicity is something that I've already told. So these are a few samples of the poster. This is about a blood donation. So donate blood, your blood can save life. In these boxes you can see some information is given, then here also some important things have been stated, and at the end comes the name of the organizer or the issuer. Then this is about the equal rights. So you see how beautifully this poster has been made, equal, and then for rights, every sort of person has been drawn, from aged to young to one who is not who's physically disabled. So every kind of person has been shown in the picture in order to talk about the rights. And then it has a beautiful quote at the end that all human beings are born free and equal. And who said this? This was issued by the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in the year 1948. Similarly, you have this poster for non-smoking. So, a rectangular poster, do not smoke. Smoking is injurious to health. You can see in small square box, they've shown the picture of a cigarette and then they've written stop smoking. Then in these boxes, every cigarette cuts your life short by 5 minutes, save your precious life. Say no to cigarettes because it brings ruin and death. So everything important has been conveyed through this poster. And at the end, like I told you, it is important to write the name of the issuing authority or the organization, and this is issued by the Ministry of Health. So, you see dear students, this is how we make a poster. It is very simple, very easy to make a poster. You only need to be very smart with respect to the pencil that you use when sketching or drawing, and also the slogans and the verses that you use. And if you are good at it, I am sure it will be very scoring for you. So my dear students, I hope this topic was clear to you. I shall see you all now in my next lecture.